What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are back covering Shib, and we have a lot to cover on Shib. Now Shib is up over 20% today. It's been absolutely mooning. It's gone up to this resistance target right here at the 0.236 level, and it's been one of the best performing meme coins today and just over the past week. You can see on the right here we've had Dog with Hat go up 10%, Doge 10%, and Pepe 12%, but none of them have come close to Shib. So we have a lot of news to cover, and whether it's going to keep going up or whether we're about to see a small dump. Now as you can see here, it's approached this resistance level right here, which was previously also used before seeing a massive dump, and then we consolidated, came back up, and now we're doing a similar sort of thing. So if we're able to break above here on the daily chart, we should look to start consolidating here and creating an accumulation zone. However, it doesn't look like we are about to close above, as the wick has started to drop down. You can see that we're starting to slow down all of the buying momentum. Now we need all of those buys to break above, and we're not getting them right now. So what could happen is also quite a good scenario is that we close below and that we actually instead come down to this blue area, which was previously a resistance, and start building on it as a support level, because then we can get enough accumulations to actually see a massive pump where we actually clear this level and start building up on this level. Now this blue area right here was also previously used as a support before being broken down and then used as a resistance, so this would make perfect sense for us to use again as another support level. Now another key thing to remember is Bitcoin dominance. So when Bitcoin dominance falls and Bitcoin rises, that's usually when we'll see altcoins and meme coins rally a lot. Now Bitcoin today saw a massive jump up to around $65,200, and Bitcoin dominance saw a slightly smaller move up, but nevertheless altcoins still decided to rally. So for the major moves, we need Bitcoin dominance right here to break below this low and to initiate a downtrend. Otherwise, if it continues moving up and Bitcoin also continues moving up, we won't actually get that altcoin season that we've been waiting for. So targets that I'm going to be looking at for Shib is going to be for us to come down to this area, get a few accumulations in. We can actually look to buy at this area as well if you missed out on this entire move up. If we're able to buy this area, then targets are easily going to be right around 30% profit. So that will be our first target, to right around this area. Then our second target will be at around 65% profit to the 0.382 area, and our final price target, which I quite like to do, a very optimistic one, sort of as a moonshot, because our first and second price target are quite pessimistic, where they'll be hit at least 90% of the time. So my final price target for Shib would be somewhere around the previous highs that we had back in March of 2024. So that would result in us seeing a 200% profit. Now overall, that is very achievable on Shib and on a lot of meme coins, especially if we see Bitcoin dominance fall below that low and initiate a downtrend. However, we must be patient and we must look to accumulate Shib at these lows instead of trying to accumulate when it's pumping up here at these highs. That way we prevent a lot of risk and prevent a lot of losses. Now if you do want to be getting trades every single day, then make sure to check out the Discord down below, because we're sending out trades every day there, and they are absolutely crushing the market, as you can see on the screen right now. Now another key thing to remember as well is Bitcoin itself. So I talked about Bitcoin in yesterday's video, and I mentioned that we need to clear these liquidations levels. Now I looked at around an hour ago and we still had these liquidation levels, so this does look to me like we are just clearing the liquidity above before we head down and clear these liquidations. Now it's very rare that I don't see these liquidations cleared and we just see Bitcoin move away from the liquidations. However, it is a likely scenario. It's very unlikely, so we should still look to head down, clear these liquidations, and the best possible move for Bitcoin will be for us to head down here, accumulate at 60,000, build up this zone before we head up higher and actually break through this resistance and look to moon. Now other coins like Doge, Pepe, and Dog with Hat have seen some moves up. However, they have obviously not been as large as Shib. The only comparable one is of course Pepe, which is approaching its previous high right here, whereas Shib has already nearly hit that high. So it looks to me like Shib is currently the winning 2024 meme coin, and it's looking like it's one of the strongest ones yet. So that is why Shib is going to be my #1 meme coin for this year. And even though I'm not holding a lot and buying a lot of Shib, I'll definitely be keeping an eye out at these levels and at these lows to be accumulating more and more. Now if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade Shib, then make sure to check out Bybit and Mexi down below. They are the biggest exchanges for crypto. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye guys.